This is a quick tutorial on how to use our toner and face serum. I just showered, so my skin is still a little bit wet from the shower. So I'm just going to take this toner, which is very earthy smelling. It has some distilled water, lavender, manuka, carrot seed, rose, frankincense, and witch hazel in it. And I'm just going to mist my face with it. I love the way that it smells. So you'll just want to do that first. And the reason that I pair these in the same video is because they work really well together. The next thing is the face serum. And for both of these, I use upcycled glass bottles. So I just sanitize them and repurpose them. The serum has really yummy things in it too. It has sunflower seed oil, which generally is kind of wonderful for all different types of skin. So sunflower seed oil, lavender, blue tansy, rose, and frankincense. And so it'll be blue in color when you use it, and you only really need a drop or two. And so I just rub it together and then put it all over my face. And it smells and feels delightful. And if you find that it feels like you have a lot of oil sitting on your face in 15 minutes or so, you might just want to dab it a bit. But this, in the dry of winter, I find that I need to put more on. But maybe in the summertime, you would want to use less. Okay, that's all. Thanks.